Good morning, my name's Kevin Collins. I'm with Wind Supply of Tampa Bay. We are an HVAC wholesaler out of the Tampa Bay area. One of our lines is the Frigidaire line of equipment as manufactured by NGH. It's been a fun experience in dealing with NGH over the years. They have backed us 100%, which in turn allows us to back our contractors.
I'm Mark Reyes. I'm owner-operator AC guy in Tampa, Florida. We install, say, 98% just NGH equipment.
Why I value NGH is their customer service, their products, and they stand behind what they say.
My employees prefer servicing Frigidaire equipment just because the overall simplicity of the system makes it easier to service than other brands. The name's very well recognized, so it makes it very simple to sell something that most people already know.
The communication they provide. I can tell you, yes, I've got it on the floor. If it's a no, it'll be here Thursday. It's giving you a time frame to work with.
Very rarely do I have problems with equipment, but when I do and I reach out to NGH, they've always been very responsive. Another great thing about Frigidaire is that they have QR codes on all the parts almost. So if you do run into a problem and need a little extra help figuring something out, you can always scan the QR code, go to their website, and it gives you a breakdown of most everything you need for those parts.
Customer support behind NGH is phenomenal. The products they provide are the best, and they stand behind their word and their products.
Frigidaire helps me breathe easy because it's simple to service.
A lot of companies will offer a 10-year parts warranty, which Frigidaire offers, but in addition to that, they have a 10-year quality pledge. And the quality pledge is essentially on the compressor, so that if a homeowner has a problem with their compressor, homeowner will get a new condensing unit or a new package unit. But the biggest feature is that it helps the homeowner breathe easier when all is said and done.
It makes my customers feel good because their downtime's not down. Less time I have to be there, less time they have to be down without AC.
In the end, Frigidaire truly is the total package.